Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, I know you can kind of see the package down here, but I'm not too sure if you can see exactly who makes it. So let me give you a little hint. That's right. Today we're going to take a look at a tool that's going to make your knife work a little bit easier. So stay tuned. We're going to roll that intro and get right into this guy. Alright, thanks for staying past that intro. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead, take a moment and do that. It's going to really help us out in the long run, and I'm going to appreciate you for it. Now, as you saw by that intro, we're going to take a look at the WIHA. I hope I'm saying that right. I know if I'm not, someone's going to correct me. 75985 Torx Pen. Which made me go, pen? That's not a pen. Now, a little while ago, we took a look at the Kershaw TX tool. I'm going to leave a link right up here. And in that video, one of you guys was really cool to point out how much they like this one a little better. You also pointed out about a Benchmade one, and when I can get one into the channel, I'm going to bring it to the channel. But now, what I like about this guy, right off the bat, I didn't really feel it with the Kershaw one. I don't know if you can quite see it right there. But it's got like those little diamond grippy little things, you know, metal plates right there to help you hold on to it and get a good grip when you're turning. Now the bits store right there in the base. Come on, there's one more in there. There we go. I was about to say it comes out a heck of a lot better than the Kershaw tool did, but as you saw, I just had a little bit of difficulty. Now, it comes with 6 bits, a T3, a T4, a T5, T6. God, I sound like I'm rattling off Terminators, right? It comes with a T7 and T8. Now, these are different sizes, and these are some of the most common ones I understand you're going to need for working on some knives. Yeah, we'll get to that in just a second. What I like about this guy, it's got an overall length of about 4.3 inches, and it's really truly lightweight at 1.6 ounces. There is a little magnet in there to help hold the bits in place. Like I mentioned a little bit earlier, it is made out of aluminum, and it has this great little pocket clip to help secure it. Now, if you've never used one before, on most knives, they've got those weird little torque bits in there. All you really got to do, and I'm just grabbing one randomly, I honestly don't know what size it is. What I usually do is try to get it, of course it's too big. Okay. Try to get it, you know, I kind of try to dry fit, and if it goes in there, great. And then all you got to do is just do the lefty-loosey, righty-tighty kind of thing. And of course this one doesn't want to work, so I'm not even going to bother stripping. I made that mistake with the Sepimo a little while ago. Okay, but anyhow, so you get the general idea. They go in there, you turn them, just like a screwdriver, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. But I'm betting with this guy, you're going to need to put one on either side, well, especially with this blade, to help anchor in place and go from there. Now, as you can see, there's your website, where to find it. Okay. Now, I took a look at the cost on Amazon and over on WIHAtools.com, as you can see right there. On Amazon, it's $13.40, and over on WIHA, it's $15.96. Now, it didn't have a place really to leave a rating over on WIHA. I mean, there was no reviews of it whatsoever. But on Amazon, it scored a 4.3 out of 5-star rating with 69 reviews. A lot of these were seriously positive about what they were saying. I also like the fact that you can buy other little bits for this guy. They sell other sets out there, not to mention there's a really extensive set that's going to have essentially every single thing you're ever going to need when you're using small bits and, you know, little drivers. But, you know, that's seriously my quick thoughts, you know, little tabletop review of the WIHA Torx Pen. I'd like to know what you think. As usual, guys, down below. Leave me your questions, your comments, your hatred, all that wonderful stuff. I don't care. I want to read it. I want to hear it. If you guys have used one of these, I'd like to know your experiences, you know? If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, guys, thank you so much for, taking a moment of your day to view this video. Man, I know there's lots and lots and lots of videos out there on YouTube, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for those of you who didn't take that opportunity at the beginning of the video, here's your second chance, guys. Little symbol's going to pop up right there. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've clicked on that subscribe, icon, go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. That's going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Guys, thank you so much for taking your day, one moment of your day, and watching my little review of the WIHA Torx Pen. Hope you guys have a great remainder of your day.